Right now, people are making money online using Google tools you already have access to. The problem? Nobody explains the system simply. Today, I'll show you exactly how digital marketing and e-commerce really work. If you've ever wanted to start an online business but didn't know where to begin, this video will change that. I'm breaking down Google digital marketing and e-commerce step by step, from beginner level to real results. Monetizing your content is simpler than you think. I'm going to show you the exact process you can start today. First, identify your audience and create consistent value or ad account. That's it. If you've ever wanted to start an online business but didn't know where to begin, this video will change that. I'm breaking down Google digital marketing and e-commerce step by step, from beginner level to real monetization. Welcome! Today we're starting a full tutorial on Google digital marketing and e-commerce. We'll cover everything from the basics to monetizing on social media. By then, you'll be ready to build and grow your online business. Let's begin. Google digital marketing and e-commerce is the process of using Google tools to build a strong online presence, attract customers, and drive sales. We'll explore the key strategies in this series. Promote products or services online to attract the right audience. Convert visitors into customers and build an online business that generates income. These strategies will help you create a thriving digital venture. You are not just posting online. You are building a system that turns attention into money. Welcome back. Let's dive into the core foundations of digital marketing. First, you must understand how people behave online. This insight allows you to create strategies. We'll build on this foundation next. Let's talk about the first core foundation, digital marketing fundamentals. It's crucial to grasp their needs and how they interact with content so you can create strategies that truly connect. Why do most creators fail at marketing? They skip audio's the customer journey, awareness, interest, and purchase. Research your target audience, craft this, and you won't be very net build creators. Why do most creators fail at marketing? They skip audience research. They don't understand the customer journey from awareness to purchase. Without this, you can't craft a strong value proposition. Always start with research. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps your content appear on Google search without paying for ads. By optimizing your content, you can attract organic traffic and grow your audience effectively. Let's cover key SEO basics. First, focus on keywords people search for. Second, create titles that match search intent. Third, optimize your content consistency across your site. Welcome to my podcast. I'm excited to share my latest venture, the affordable fashion store for students. We offer trendy, high-quality clothing. It's all about making fashion accessible and fun for everyone. Google Ads allows businesses to appear instantly on search results. When someone searches online, your ad can show up at the top. It's a powerful tool for immediate visibility and growth. Let's cover the basics. Key ad types are search, display, YouTube, and shopping. The simple process: choose a keyword, create your salt software. I'll teach you a small budget testing strategy to get started. Google offers different ad types like search, display, YouTube, and shopping. The produces strategia. For a small budget, test different keywords and ads to find what works best. Marketing without data is guessing. Use Google Analytics for traffic insights. Conversion tracking measures your success. And audience insights to know your customers. Let's start by looking at our website visitors. Next, our click rate has shown steady improvement. This led to strong sales conversions. Finally, organic leads are our top traffic source. E-commerce means selling products online. It's a fundamental part of how we do business today. You can sell physical products, digital products, services, and print-on-demand items. Key platforms include Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, and TikTok Shop. With these options, your business can thrive online. Google Analytics tracks visitor behavior, showing who visits, where they come from, and what they click. You can see detailed data on user origins and their interactions to make smarter business decisions. Mastering this tool is key. Google Search Console helps your website rank higher. It shows your keywords, website errors, and search performance. This allows you to find and fix issues, optimize your content, and improve your visibility. Google Merchant Center connects your store products to Google Shopping. This is important for e-commerce success. It increases your visibility, drives traffic, and boosts sales. It's essential for growth. Google Ads Manager controls your advertising campaigns and budgets. It's essential for effective digital marketing. Here is the real strategy most beginners miss. Step 1, traffic. Bring people using SEO, social media, and ads. Here is the real strategy most beginners miss. Step 1, traffic. Bring people using SEO, social media, and ads. The first step is to capture. Collect emails, followers, and leads. Then convert them by selling products, courses, and services. Show ads again to interested visitors. This increases sales dramatically. Let's begin our step-by-step setup guide. Some examples are beauty, education, fitness, business tips, or tech reviews. Today, we'll create a simple website with 4 essential pages. First is the home page, your welcoming introduction. Next, the products page showcase your offerings. The about page builds trust, and contact ensures connection. Let's talk about keyword research. It's all about finding what people are already searching for. Uses like Google Search to browsing suggestions ensures your content answers real questions and reaches the right audience. Creating content like tutorials, reviews, and problem solutions is free marketing. It positions you as an expert, builds trust, and drives growth. Share your knowledge and watch your audience grow. Step 5. Launch Google Ads with a small budget. Start with a $5 to $10 daily test budget. Focus on one product only to test and optimize. This keeps costs low and insights clear. Marketing is optimization, not luck. By analyzing results, we can refine our strategies for better outcomes. Data-driven decisions eliminate guesswork and drive sustainable growth. Hi everyone, let's talk about turning your tutorials into a series. First, break it into parts. Each one builds on the last. This boosts visibility and keeps viewers hooked. Welcome back. Our first video is Google Digital Marketing for Beginners. Next, How I'd Start E-commerce in 2026 shares a future-ready strategy. Finally, Google Ads Explained Simply breaks down the platform for you. Let's dive in. Boost your SEO by avoiding these marketing mistakes. First, don't ignore keyword research. Second, create quality content. Third, build backlinks. These growth hacks work. Let's break down the marketing funnel: awareness, interest, decision, and action. Next, your beginner checklist. Define your audience, set goals, and create content. Finally, tools. Let's talk about common beginner mistakes. First, selling before building trust. Second, no audience targeting. Third, ignoring analytics. And fifth, posting without strategy. As a content creator, do this. Teach what you learn. Build authority, grow audience trust. Launch your own digital product later. Education content converts extremely well. Digital marketing is not about going viral. It's about building a repeatable system that works even when you are offline. Learn skills once, earn repeatedly. If this helped you understand digital marketing better, subscribe and join this community where we learn skills that create real income online. Comment start if you're beginning your digital journey, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.